Okay, this one I'm going to go ahead and do go back and do these. Lesson 60 is showing the setup of the problems and some of a couple tricks about test taking also. But here it says Burham Mills has 360 employees. The number of production employees is 12 more than 3 times the number of employees who work in management. Which equation could be used to find the number of management employees? So just like we're doing up here, it's the same process. We're looking at, and sometimes again, if you can't figure out the other ones, look at the answer and then work it backwards. I've done that quite a bit studying math as well. But here, the number of production, we're trying to find the management, but we got production employees and management employees. So I'm going to P for production and M for management. And they're going to equal 360. Okay, so the number of production employees is 12 more than 3 times the number of employees who work management. So I don't know management. Okay. And if I did know management, well, I could figure out the production is 12 more than management. So it's going to be plus 12 more than 3 times the number of employees that do management. So it's going to be 3 times the employees in management and then plus 12 more. Okay, and that'll be our production. So therefore, if I got 3x plus 12 plus x equals 360. So that would be my equation. But if you look at the answers here, okay, you see that there's none of them that, whoops, I gotta move it over. You can see that none of them match up exactly to what I got here. Okay, but you can see this one's out because it has a negative. This one's out, it has a negative because what I came up, there's no negatives in here. Okay, and then this one, 3x plus 12, well, this other x is missing, so that one's out. But if you look here, x plus 3x plus 12, well, 3x plus 12, this x is just actually over here. So 3, which is the same thing. I can have 3x plus 3x plus, sorry, I have to move it over, plus 12 equals 360. So this here is the same as this one here. Okay, they have the parentheses around this one showing that this one is the production plus the management. Okay, so sometimes what you get, you're just going to have to compare it to the answers that they give and find the one that matches up the best. Just like number 2. You can see here it's going to be already, I went ahead and circled them. But right there. Okay, Jim Frank did, so I have Frank did a certain number of push-ups. So we don't know how many push-ups he did. Tom did 12 more than Frank. So I got Tom. Tom did 12 more than Frank. So he did the number Frank did plus 12 more. The total number of push-ups both men did was 66. So the total is 66. Which equation could be used to find the number of push-ups Frank did? Okay, well, I have to solve this problem in order to find what the x is. So you can see I got x plus 12 equals 66. So if you look at your choices here, I got x plus 12, but that's missing one of the other x's. I got, it's not going to equal, whoops, it's not going to equal 2x plus 66. It's not a comparison like this, but where did they get the 2x plus 12 equals 66? Well, if you look here, you got to remember from lesson, I think it was 57, or one of those, 57, 58, you can combine these two like terms. I can go 2x, x plus x, that's 2x's plus 12 equals 66. So therefore that would make B, letter B here, the correct answer. Okay? So sometimes you have to compare your answers with the choices that they give you. And then the last one, let me see if I can figure this one out. Eva got 2 parking tickets. Dang it. The fine for the second ticket was $4 less than twice the fine for the first ticket. So I got ticket 1 and I got ticket 2. So ticket 1, the fine for the second one, we're comparing the fine for the second one to the ticket of the first one. So the fine for the second ticket was $4 less. So it's going to be $4 less than the first ticket. No, $4 less than twice the fine of the first ticket. So this is twice as much, but then $4 left. And if the fine total was 65, so they're going to equal $65. Which equation could be used to find the amount of the first fine? So here I got the ticket plus the second ticket equals $65. Okay, so I could do it like you saw, like that, or I can combine these two. 3x minus 4 equals 65. Okay, well let me look at my choices. Oh, yeah, right here. You can letter C, x. Kind of like the first one we did. I had the x plus 2x minus 4 equals 65. Okay, so yeah, if you can't figure it out, even I have to look at the answer and work them backwards. So hope this helps. A lot of examples, getting kind of long on this lesson, but hopefully number 60 and 60, 61. And I've done, I didn't do all the examples, I just typed up some of the ones that I thought would be helpful, and then the other ones are repeat examples of the ones that were shown. All right, have a good day or night, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.